Min-Chi Kuo is of the opinion that the iPhone SE2 2020 will have chopped edges and rounded corners. The novelty will not repeat iPhone 4 in everything. The only thing that iPhone SE2 can adopt from the old man is the design of the metal frame. Still, iPhone 4 is still considered the most beautiful device in the history of the company. The second forecast is chopped faces. This decision partly contradicts the idea that the iPhone SE2 will be similar to the representative of the 4th series, but it is not worth it to completely eliminate it, according to the expert. It's too early to discount the appearance of another camera on the iPhone SE2. Also, a recess in the display intended for the face recognition system will remain in place. In iPhone SE2, it may become smaller, but it certainly will not disappear. No less attention in 2020 will go to device screens. According to experts, part of the iPhone SE2 lineup will run on organic light-emitting diodes, OLED. Now the technology is used in the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. In addition, it is predicted that the iPhone SE2 features virtual reality and a 3D camera. According to Min-Chi Kuo, Apple will introduce more new products in 2020 than usual. It is important to note that this is due not only to the presence of flagship models and budget devices among the company's products. On the nose, 5G yield to the masses. It is highly likely that the Yabloko will present mobile devices as supporting 5th-generation cellular communications. It is assumed that among the new products will be the largest iPhone in the history of the company. The diagonal of its display will be 6.7 inches. Budget options will save the screen in 6.1 and 5.4 inches.